Which house direction gets the best sunlight? Dear friends, when building or buying a home, one common question is, which house direction gets the best sunlight? The answer depends on your climate, lifestyle, and even which hemisphere you live in. But in general, homes that receive balanced natural light throughout the day are considered the most comfortable. In the Northern Hemisphere, south-facing houses usually get the most sunlight during the day. These homes stay brighter and warmer, especially in winter. North-facing homes receive softer and more even light, making them cooler and comfortable in hot climates. East-facing homes enjoy beautiful morning sunlight. This direction is perfect for people who love bright mornings and cooler evenings. West-facing homes receive strong afternoon sunlight, which can make rooms warmer later in the day, especially during summer. In the Southern Hemisphere, the sunlight pattern is reversed. North-facing homes get the most sunlight, while south-facing homes stay cooler with softer daylight. The best house direction also depends on room placement. Bedrooms often feel better with morning sun, while living areas benefit from steady daylight throughout the day. In the end, the ideal house direction is the one that gives you the right balance of sunlight, comfort, energy efficiency, and indoor temperature for your location and lifestyle. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.